My name is Rosemary Troy. I'm here at the physical therapy, and I'm here because I broke my neck, and I'm getting therapy for my neck and extension to my shoulder or upper arm. Since I've been here, it's been very helpful. I've been able to move my neck because originally I did not get therapy for 3 months. The office is very flexible, they're very professional, and the amount of work they've done with me and the patients they have has greatly improved my mobility. I'm very happy here, and I'm going to refer it constantly to all my friends and relatives, and I do talk about how well I'm doing. Even my family has noticed that I can move my neck a lot better. And my husband out of the blue said, "You can really move your neck a lot better there." So I'm very happy, and I appreciate it that my family has recognized it too. But I do feel better, and I'm looking forward to continue with the therapy here.